Dreaming of a high-paying career as a pilot or flight attendant? Meet Royal Concord aviation experts on 8 June at M Crown Hotel Shillong from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book your slot now and call 720-479-8777.
Kiladan baro saupo prangot ki Khynnah Skul na South Lake Skul ki badang hap apo upur usam ka dor bar Shillong Laban ki Malaysian benta hagajing yakop draw dur Halor ka Mariang hagajing rakhi yak World Environment Day araja arpusan hakastan tere ujelleo araja arpusan ka bala khot panlong da ka dor bar Shillong Hagani ngi nalor ki Khynnah Skul ki Malaysian benta laydon lang do ba Edward Karwan lang urang ba Shillong uba Vernance im Social Secretary ki bor pulit na Laban Police Station nalor ki we Kini ki dor bagi Khynnah ki draw ki Kren sepang ka jingdon kam ban penne pensa ya ka Mariang kata da ka wakyar ya ka jing pom ding pathar ka jing pendon kam plastik bat ki we
As we all know that long time ago, so to say, in the beginning of this earth, God created heaven and the earth. He created everything, including the formation of land, plants and trees and water. These things won't be present today without the Creator. We humanity are uniquely created by God, special in His eyes. As humans, we are entrusted with stewardship of the earth and called to reflect God's character. The main objective of World Environment Day 2025 is to beat plastic pollution. The theme Ending Plastic Pollution, according to the United Nations Environment Program, it aims to raise awareness about the menace effects of using plastic not only in our state but all over the states of India and all over the world. We all see with our own eyes everyday in the streets and all around us different colors of plastic are thrown on the street. Drains are dumped with plastic leading to blockage of plastic cannot be dissolved in the water or on land. We should understand how plastic is made of. Example, white plastic is made from various plastic resins. Common example included titanium dioxide, base pigments, polyethylene, and polypropylene. I think you don't know about the making of the plastic. When you go through that, Google Pay, you will see everything from there. And you can search from earlier also. And after final properties and appearance as white plastic. Black plastic is more dangerous than the pink and white plastic. Okay? Black plastic is made from recycled materials, including plastic from electronics, like television and computers, and it contains harmful chemicals like flame, retardants, and heavy metals. the black color plastic is achieved by adding carbon black which contain compound of carcinogenic properties. That is why black plastic can pose health and environment risks.
Menjaga segi gumgador bersama Laban, ia midon bandiraki ini program berit jungi bandiraki kenika segi World Environment Day, kenika segi kesantarik, ujun, arjat amsan. Hak mengila pelong ya ke drawing competition, ya Khynnah Skul Bedon pau kenika put usam jong gador bersama Laban. But ni aku boleh social secretary jungi iba bermusim, iba simti bakit kiaban. Nakui ke school ban let you wear the key Khynnah but ni simbentah kenika sengi. Tengi ai si sai bagi jingwan ki jongki but sibun ngilala ban ai ki prize ki teknik drawing competition hak ba yunong bisa ki ba bet itu drawing ki kentup na ki school ki bapero pe but ngila ai ki don ki art group kata ki class 9 and 10 first group but 7 and 8 jadi ke second group dia kabang ngila ai ka cash prize ke certificate but ni ki sapling ban ngila yo ban sam ye ni sapling du preng ni ki kabang ni fat sob ham ta sni na do ki osi na do ki de fat jong gadar basna
Pak kasih kalau kita le minta ke World Environment Day mau arja kusan bisa lah SMT nak kalau basna bingi kini membahas sudah nang ni bingi ba Iona dia pun ni penong kamtam dia celebrate di World Environment Day tau si santurik na jun tu hubungan email benar pada tu ni penong lagi painting competition school thì cũng tu sang sim ni i rambas nong ai buat lah pi cũng search ni nang sim kia tu mak tu sting alai mai school ti ki accept school tu South League school pola ba ti di Laban to student elsewhere school antara Laban Bengali Boys, Laban Bengali Stick Lesson bentar kita dan ibu art group di kelas 7 ni 9 dan 10. Di antara di hang tu boleh ngelak ayo kita bed kita Georges kini tiger kan. Ting I out of 50 dan kita I lai po ni ti hari tu ngelak ya. Kumpi mana yang nu ngelak I tilat saya kini kai bikin George kini ngelak abu ni ngelak kini kita painting ngelak kita kat South kat art list ke class 7 and 8 te shani plan 9 but 10 ke khar artli te ni ai la ki bekin ai kinu ki wan kong ba art bala he ju orde boro arlia de boro artli group te harin to de laga cinga rai ke jungki ngio ni kita ki ba kong ba art bala boro artli group te tinggal ya ada ki certificate ada snong buat dia ki cash prize bisa buat sampling memari thì om ni tang ta om ni ting ba job ru ngila ai ki tik ba participate ya baro kemudian sa prangut ni ai certificate ki kanang bukan dong ka encourage ki ba next year kalau orang ti bangin seleb yang kanang bikin yai seluruh bikin ya lek khamba ti ngi strat ru bidan wi long barang red class 6 ti jong kalau ban bagi liga sendiri isa ngi sino 7 ni tema ila kerpa plating ong to ni li long Walam hisap pepa walam ikte gijing keluar i play i benda kepada nation bana tinggi I consolation prize na i dapat certificate baik cash prize buat saplik thì ta cũng thấy ring ilang ibu so baka next year ini I ka bakam ha ki bro ni ya aku di kita kena one berapa benda ku bosi ku ki bosi office dan charge traffic ku dan lang ki bro ki principal bro ki members nong play dan bagi bro dan tu bagi nong trejong Shillong Municipal Board dan nongnya mbak sultan baka grup jengi lewan ne
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la ai kan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lyngba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.